Hi, I'm Justin from Wagon Tech, and today we're going to show you how to properly connect and use our battery chargers. This is the 7402, the 1.5 amp battery charger. This battery charger is fully automatic, meaning that all you have to do is plug it into your power outlet and then connect it directly to your battery. The battery charger does everything else for you. First, plug the battery charger into the wall outlet. Then connect the positive or red clamp to the positive post of the battery. Next, you'll take the black clamp and connect it to the negative or black side of the battery. If done correctly, the light will now be yellow, meaning that it's charging. This battery charger does bulk, absorption, and maintenance charge, making it a 3-stage battery charger. Bulk charging is the first stage in which the charger identifies the battery and its needs and then applies a high amperage charge to do the bulk of the charging. Absorption charging is when the battery has reached 80% of its capacity and begins to lower the input current to the battery. This is sometimes known as the cool-down cycle. The third and final cycle is known as the maintenance charge, also known as trickle or float charge. In this stage, the battery has already reached 95%. The battery charger will continue to apply a steady current until the battery has reached 100% capacity. At that time, the charger will continue to monitor its battery and apply the charge if it detects any loss. This is our 4 amp intelligent battery charger. This one's a little bit different than our 1.5 amp in that it does 6 volt and 12 volt batteries as well as lithium ion batteries. It also has a winter charging mode which allows it to work in freezing applications. It also is a 9-stage charger as opposed to the 1.5 amp, which is a 3-stage charger. Once this charger is connected, you'll have to press the mode button to select which mode you want to charge in. If you press it once, the first time is slow mode. Press it one more time, it's fast charge mode, and press it one more time and you'll enter the winter charging mode. This charger is also a 9-stage charger. The primary evaluation is the first stage in which the charger runs a diagnostic test on the battery's condition, charge, and overall health. The recovery charge is the second stage, where the charger will begin to restore a deeply discharged battery. This step is skipped if the battery does not require it. To protect the battery and optimize charging, the soft start action is applied. A slow charge current is applied to the battery, then ramps up. The pulse charge is then initiated to help knock off sulfation, which is the buildup on the plates that may be inhibiting the battery's ability to reach full capacity. The reconditioning cycle helps to prepare the battery for bulk charging and finalizes the recovery charge. These are our 8 amp and 15 amp intelligent battery chargers. Both units are 6-stage, microprocessor controlled. They both feature battery reconditioning modes and both of them have adjustable amperage. To use the model, simply press the button on the left. The top light shows the output current. Press it one more time, it shows the voltage. And one more time again, it shows the battery capacity. This battery is low. The button on the right selects the output amperage and voltage. The top one is 12 volt 2 amps. The next one down is 12 volt 8 amps. The third one down is 6 volt 2 amps. And the very last one is for lithium ion batteries. One thing I love about our 15 amp intelligent battery charger is that it has a bright digital backlit display. To use this device, simply connect the clamps as prompted. First, select your battery output amperage. You can use automatic for standard batteries, 2 amps, 8 amps, and of course 15 amps. Next, use this button to select the battery type. You can do automatic, AGM, gel, lithium iron phosphate. The last mode is winter mode. If your battery's in freezing conditions, press this button and you'll see the icon appear on the display. Once you have everything set, go ahead and press the charge button and it will begin charging. At higher charge amperages, you may hear a fan come on as well. And that's how you can safely charge your car battery using our intelligent battery charger. If you're interested in purchasing the chargers used in this video, click this link right here. Don't forget to leave us a like if you find this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you very much for watching.